In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create long AI videos in Higgsfield AI. We'll start with a static image, then bring it to life as an extended video by choosing the right prompts, model, duration, and quality. Follow along in your browser and you'll have a polished result by the end. First, head to the Higgsfield AI website. A desktop browser makes navigating the interface easier and gives you a clearer view of all the controls. Once you're in, look at the top navigation and click on Image. We begin with an image because the animation feature uses that still frame as the foundation for your video. In the image workspace, type your prompt and click Generate. Be clear and specific. Describe the subject, setting, style, and mood you want. Short, descriptive phrases often work best, like cinematic lighting, wide shot, or highly detailed portrait. After generation, you'll see a grid of results. Click the version you like best. Choose an image with a clear focal subject, balanced composition, and enough background detail to support motion. Centered or well-framed subjects tend to animate more smoothly and avoid awkward distortions at the edges. Next, click Animate. This sends your chosen image into the video creation workspace and sets it as the starting frame. Here's where you guide motion and pacing. In the video prompt field, describe how you want things to move and feel. Mention subject movement, camera behavior, and atmosphere, for example, gentle camera push in, subtle breeze through leaves, or slow dreamy motion. Keep it concise and focused on what should change over time. Now choose a model. Each model balances speed, style, and fidelity differently. If you want fast previews, pick a lighter option. If you're aiming for richer textures or more nuanced motion, go with a higher fidelity choice. Match the model to your creative goal and your available time. Set the duration. This is where you make your video long. Extend the slider to the length you need, knowing that longer runs may take more time to render. If you're unsure, start with a medium length, then extend once you're happy with the direction. Choose the quality level. Higher quality delivers cleaner details and smoother motion, but it will render more slowly. For final outputs, choose the best quality you can reasonably wait for. Finally, click Generate. Let the render finish, then preview your result. If you want refinements, adjust the prompt, model, duration, or quality, and generate again. With a few thoughtful iterations, you'll have a long, compelling AI video ready to share.